In this video, I will show you how you can scan documents on your iPad Air. Now to do that, first of all, just open the app library on your iPad and in the search bar, just search this. Now just open the preview app, and by using the preview app, you can scan any document. Now to start scanning a document, just tap on scan document, and over here you will open this camera preview. Now just place your document in the camera frame, and as this blue frame fits around the document which you're scanning, your iPad will start automatically scanning the document. Now if you want to scan the documents manually, instead of auto over here, just select manual. After you select manual, you will be able to scan the documents on your iPad manually. Now once this blue frame fits around the document which you're scanning, then just tap on the shutter button to scan the document, just like that. Now once you're done scanning your document, just tap on keep, then select done. As you can see, this is the document which we have scanned. And this is how you can scan documents on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.